Alright, so this is creepy Real OC back at the Orange County Heritage Museum. They have like two of these actually. It's like during the summertime one and then like during like the holidays in November. So let's see what we find. Like an angel, something copyright music. It's like armor stuff. Right on. Chain what?
Mail. Some of it.
Scale mail, I guess.
It's time for whether or not. Taking a look at the Orange County forecast for the weekend.
Yeah, this thing like is getting packed. It's been growing, that's for sure. Yeah. Congrats on the vendors or the organizers of this place. Yeah. We've been coming here since they started.
Locally in the near term. Here, baby. So, baby.
Ooh. Nice. I'll take it still. I like the Frankenstein one. Social media if you want to follow her.
I don't know actually. Yeah. So we gotta keep
Yeah. Oh, Sarah. So they have a stage at the end. Oh, that's cool. Wow, this place really fucking blew up. Good for the organizers. Let's go take a room.
They said it's like really hot in there.
Well, about to find out.
Enjoy the tiki party, guys. Come on in.
You're making me scared, Ashley. You're making me scared. Oh shit, it's out of here.
Oh wow. Sonic. Oh, it feels just like Sinister.
Literally out of the bar center.
What is going on?
Oh, there's a photo op area over there. She has a pig in there. A cute little guy. It's a antique house.
This is exactly how they built your house back in 1928.
Simpsons. Man, I can't remember the last time I seen a Simpsons episode. Oh yeah, I was in Vegas. Never mind.
Yeah. Check it out.
Tim Burton, is that what he said?
So many people. I'm not sure, to be honest.
Killer cornflake guy.
That guy's weird. I know that. He had like the whole. They made a movie about
I think it's a different location.
That must go too. He's pointing. He's like, "What's up?" Yo, look at that chair. It's a cereal.
serial killer.
Oh, that's a creepy.
Oh, nice.
It's a monster cereal stuff.
Oh, cool.
Count chocolate. I had that.
French fries?
Oh, they got chicken nuggets?
The nuggies.
Oh, look at that. Chicken nuggets.
Oh, so she's smiling.
That's cool.
What if I make it myself?
They're like,
Face call.
It kind of reminds me of like.
Smells good.
That's
Smells like November.
but it's not really nice.
Yeah.
substance at the end. Oh, yes.
Like the pumpkin brew.
That's cool. So that's pretty much it for Creepy Real OC. September 14th. Yes. So this is the first one of the year. And then they're gonna do another one in November. We already got tickets for that. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys want to like support and help me out, check out the links in the description. Really would appreciate it. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.